This is the U-Body wireless Bluetooth keyboard. This one is so portable that is perfect for anyone who works on the go and works directly from the phone or from a tablet and just wants an easier way to type. This one is for you. It also comes with a set of super cute stickers. That way you can decorate your keyboard to your liking. Now, the color that I got mine in is pink and white, but it's also available in different colors. So if you don't like this one, it's okay. There are other colors to choose from. It also works with PC, laptops, Mac, iPhones, Android phones, any tablets, and even smart TVs. It comes with a Bluetooth keyboard manual that also has different shortcuts that you can use with your device. So now let me go ahead and show you around the product as well so you can see exactly how everything looks like. So the dimensions for this product is 12.6 by 5.51 by 0.98 inches, and it weighs approximately 1.41 pounds. One thing I would like to point out is that the keys on this one are a little bit loud compared to other keyboards, so keep that in mind, and also keep in mind that you will need 2 AAA batteries for this one in order for it to work. Now, one feature that I really like about this keyboard is the little 4 rubbers that it has on each corner on the back of the keyboard, and these are to help the keyboard stay in place and also not damage the furniture in which you will be using it. It also comes with this little brush right here, which is perfect for cleaning the keyboard, getting in between the keys, and getting any dirt or dust that you may have accumulated on the keyboard. Now, pairing is rather easy. All you have to do is just press Function C on your keyboard and then move on over to your device and look for the pairing name U-Body. That's it, all ready to go, and then you can just start typing and using your keyboard. Just keep in mind that the keyboard directly on your phone will not be functional, so you will have to unpair the keyboard from your phone in order to be able to start using the keyboard on your phone again. But that's pretty much it. I'm pretty satisfied with this keyboard. I take it on the go with me, and especially when I have to work from my phone, make things so much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.